Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help with the channel tremendously, and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we're looking at the overall market cap right now, we're currently sitting at $1.89 trillion, down 9.1% in the last 24 hours, and BTC dominance is currently sitting at 49.7%. Guys, we are seeing a lot of red across the board, as you guys can see. There is, in the last hour, we are starting to see some sort of recovery, but overall we are seeing a lot of red across the board, and a lot of people are panicking. A lot of panic around the markets right now, and a lot of people are wondering what caused this price pullback that we are seeing right now, this bloodbath across the markets. So as you guys may know, or if you guys don't know, Wall Street stocks trend lower following reports that the U.S. President Joe Biden planned to raise capital gains tax for wealthy individuals. The S&P 500 index gave up morning increases and closed the trading day down 0.9% following a Bloomberg report stating that people earning more than $1 million would pay capital gain rate of 39.6%, up from 20%. So that's a huge spike, guys. This is a massive spike from 20% all the way to 39.6%. We could basically say 40%. And this does, have crypto included in it as well. It's not only for stocks; it's for individuals that make capital gains over $1 million, not only from crypto. Not only from stocks. The crypto is included as well. So if they were to cash out and they made $1 million plus, they would have to pay 40% of capital gains tax. And a lot of people are panicking about that. And if we go look, Wall Street did react very, very negatively to that, because obviously there's a big players on Wall Street. But with crypto, I believe this, the whales of crypto took advantage of this news and dumped their bags on the market in order to create panic. As you guys may know, this market is heavily manipulated, and we cannot control that whatsoever. We cannot control that at all. So a lot of people are saying that these whales did manipulate the markets to create panic and shake off the weak hands, and I believe that as well. I strongly believe they shook off the weak hands and bought in cheaper and liquidated all the longs that were longing Bitcoin. As you guys may know, I made a video on Vechain and Cardano just a couple hours before we did see this correction. I did say there is a possibility. You guys can go watch that video again. I said there's a possibility that Bitcoin falls further and altcoins will fall further with it, because at the end of the day, we cannot control that. We always have to look at both the bullish and bearish scenario. If we're looking, we wicked all the way down to that 78.6 level, around that 13 cents range. But if we are looking, we have already been bought back up, all the way 34% from that wick itself. And I'm seeing a lot of comments. When we do see these price movements, like this price pullbacks, like at this type of magnitude of up to 35%, as I mentioned, I am in the markets for a while. I have seen these kind of corrections in the bull market. It's very normal, and markets can be manipulated as well. And what I've noticed is that when the price is doing amazing, we are seeing newer highs. We're close to newer highs. Everyone is extremely bullish. They're saying, oh, yeah, Vechain to the moon, or Cardano to the moon, or any project itself to the moon. But as soon as we do see some sort of correction like this, or a pullback, everyone gets bearish, and a lot of people start giving negative comments saying, oh, this is it, it's going to zero. My answer to those guys is here, guys. Zoom out. Why don't we all zoom out right now? Let's zoom out for a second. And we go all the way from this year, beginning of this year, which is yeah, right around here. So around here, and then we go zoom out and just measure that right now. How up are we right now? We are up 908% from its from the beginning of this year. So this pullback is absolutely nothing. This is very normal. I have been saying it over and over again. Nothing goes up straight forever, and we should always be prepared for some sort of corrections like this. And this is why some exit strategy is very important to have in these markets, because like we are here to make money at the end of the day, so it's always important to have some sort of exit strategy in place so you can benefit on drops like these, and to scale back into the projects that you believe in. And also, you are supposed to always invest what you can afford to lose. Never throw your life savings into crypto, because maybe these kind of corrections will hurt you a lot. So this is why we always need to invest what you can afford to lose and just be patient. And yeah, as you guys can see, we were bought back up very quickly. This wick did not last long, guys. This wick did not last long. It was bought back up very, very quickly, and we're literally sitting right on that 0.50, Fibonacci level. And I've mentioned this is a very strong level of support for Vechain. And even this one, 78.6, as soon as we hit there, we were bought back up very quickly. And this is the support that there's a very strong support. You see this line right here at that 12.6 cents. We didn't even touch that. We touched 13 cents, and we were bought back up very quickly, and the markets started recovering. Not only VeChain, Cardano as well, XRP, Bitcoin, Ethereum, all these altcoins did initially take a dip, like wicked all the way down, but were bought back up very quickly. This goes to show there is a lot of interest still in the markets, and the weak hands have been shaken out. This is why it's very important to invest what you can afford to lose. And if you believe in the project and you have money that you can invest to lose, like you can afford to lose, I mean, then patience is the number one key that you need to have, and an exit strategy. With those two things, you will win in this market, because we cannot predict the top. You always need to have some sort of exit strategy in place to win this market. But as you guys can see, this dip was bought back very quickly. We are being manipulated by the markets right now. I believe whales are shaking out the weak hands. There's coins like Safe Moon, which I strongly encourage each and every one of my holders to absolutely stay away from. Very shady coin. I'm not saying it's a scam, but to me it's shady. I was on their website yesterday, the team. I looked at their pictures. The pictures are just like casual pictures that they have taken. That goes to show how interested they really are about the project. If project is legit, they should be in a business casual and be presentable to their future investors. And I believe that coin is just to stay away from. Always do your research, and always do your due diligence before investing in crypto. I cannot stress this enough. And I believe this is very, very normal. If we're going on that entire crypto market cap, I want to share another interesting thing with you guys right now. Let's zoom out. Why don't we zoom out? We're zooming out, right? Look at this, guys. When we saw the initial first a leg up back from December, we saw a pullback. We saw the next leg up, pullback. Saw another leg up, pullback. Another leg up, pullback. And if we are measuring these pullbacks, they all seem to be about the same, around the same level. So 28% here. We can go here as well. You can see that as well. 28% here as well. And I'm sorry, I just need to bring that as well again. From the top to the bottom. 19% here. And if we're going here to our today's correction, and we dipped right on 27%. You guys see the picture. So, when you guys are panicking, zoom out. Zoom out, look at the bigger picture. Crypto is just getting started. I believe crypto is the future. A lot of institutional interest is coming into the markets. We are seeing a lot of big players coming into the markets. A lot of institutional interest. They are hedging against inflation with crypto. We have companies started to accept crypto and blockchain. I believe this is just the absolute beginning for crypto. And these kind of pullbacks are absolutely normal, and these are manipulated by the markets. I mean the whales, and the weak hands do tend to get shaken out. And I guarantee you, a lot of people that got into Dogecoin or SafeMoon, let's say like 3-4 days ago at the top, they panic sold when it dipped down. So that goes to show it's whale manipulation game. And these kind of corrections are very normal before we do see newer highs. And I had to make this emergency video for you guys. I believe as soon as Bitcoin were to stabilize, we will see some newer highs for the entire market. But I personally did not put some buy orders around this level. I wish I did. That would have been a great opportunity to get some cheaper Vechain. But that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Just a quick emergency update and just a quick reminder for you guys that patience is key, and always invest what you can afford to lose. And this is absolutely normal in a bull market. These kind of pullbacks, nothing goes up straight forever. And yeah, that's about it. And yeah, guys, please do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for all the support that you guys have been showing me. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. Thank you so, so much. And yeah, guys, stay safe out there. Safety comes first, health comes first. Family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. And please, guys, always do take profits. I'm just trying to give you guys, an advice. But at the end of the day, you guys do what works for you. And yeah, guys, just always do your own due diligence and research, and keep supporting me. Our next goal is 10,000 subscribers. And it's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.